Okay, the next thing I have is I got this entire box. I've already taken it apart. This is what was in the box. Monthly notepads, a year's supply of memo pads, plus all of these little, little tabs. I don't know what you really call them. Okay, so 12 magnetic memo pads, 12 pads of decorated, page markers, okay, and then 3 sticky notepads. Okay, so I have got to show you this. Oh my gosh, I got this for $2.99 at a thrift store. So let's zoom in a little so you can see all of this great stuff. Okay, so look at these notepads. Is that too far? Okay, so look at these notepads. July, and it's got all the lines on it, and they are 50 sheets in each pad, and it has a magnetic in the back. This was brand new in the package, so here's July. Isn't that awesome? That is so cool. Let me zoom in just a little more. Okay, so there's July. Here is October, which has a Halloween theme to it. Isn't that cool? Here is January. It's got snowy Christmas tree, pine tree, and then a snowman at the bottom. Got that one. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see the whole pad. There we go. Okay. Then we have August. It's got fruit and all kinds of things at the bottom, canning jar. November. Then down here it says many hands make work light. It has a turkey there, and some fall leaves. I mean, the borders around here are just fantastic. Love these. February, it says with love. Here is September. It's got flowers in all the corners. Here's December. It's got holly and the berries here in the corner, and I love this like cranberry garland around it. It's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see it okay. Come on, zoom. There it goes. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Then we have March. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's yellow with ribbon around it, little chicks. Just awesome. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't that beautiful? These are just absolutely gorgeous. And they're by Susan Branch. Never heard of it. Never heard of her. So I have June. And it says, won't you come into our garden? We would like our flowers to see you. It is just beautiful. Look at that little sentiment that's down there in the bottom. It is just so cool. I don't know if I'm zooming in enough or not. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Here is April. It's got butterflies and flowers. Just gorgeous. Love it. These will be so fantastic for this scrapbooks. Oh, this one looks like the first page. Oh, got a little damaged when I was trying to open the plastic out of it. Okay, then here is May. And look at those flowers. I think those are morning glories, if I'm not mistaken. And somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they're morning glories. Come on, focus. There we go. And then down at the bottom, there's tulips. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now here is the 3 sticky note pads. And it says life is short. Life is short, eat dessert first. Aren't those cute? Here is, What does this one say? When this you see, think of me. Pretty cool. Love that. Come on, focus. There we go. Isn't that cool? Very cute. And then this one, the best things in life aren't things. That is so cool. Love that. Beautiful little ribbon around the edges. Love it. Okay, now here is like one of the other most cool things is these 12 pads of decorated page markers. So now I'm going to zoom completely in so I can get the closest. Okay, so when I saw these, I thought, wow, these will be fantastic for collaging because it's a little snippet and it, you know, it's a little snippet of decorative paper with, you know, a sticky background. And of course, just add more glue to it if you want. But aren't they cute? There's Christmas, and they kind of all correlate with the pads of paper. And look at this one. This one says boo. Here's this one. I just thought this was the most darling. A little chick. Here's some more of that morning glory, I think is what it is. Here's some sunflower. Isn't that cool? Look at this one, it has hummingbirds. Here's the winter one. That was January, I think. Here's the fall one. Aren't those gorgeous? Those are just beautiful little snippets of paper with adhesive already on the back because it's a sticky note. Oh, won't these be awesome for collaging? Or you could make them as a page tab. Absolutely. Because you could easily, you know, take one off, glue on this side, fold it around, put it on your page, and then you have a tab. Isn't that cool? I just thought this was the one of the best finds. Thought it was so cool.